Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Life. Today my video is about PegasusInu.com. So their pre-sale is restarted now. First their pre-sale was started for 30 days. Now their pre-sale is for 11 days, 22 hours remaining to pre-sale end. So their pre-sale is restarted now. Pegasus Inu, the killer of meme token. Our goal is to kill the meme tokens and make the record by hitting token price $1 in the year 22. So 11 days, 22 hours and 41 minutes are remaining. So total raise 0 BNB, soft cap 202 and 20 BNB, hard cap is 300 BNB. Buy pre-sale tokens. So I will tell you the method how you can buy the pre-sale. So pre-sale is live and pre-sale is restarted now. And then go to Pegasus Inu. 1 BNB is equal to 25%, 3 BNB 50% and 5 BNB 100%. About Pegasus Inu. Pegasus Inu is a decentralized differentiatory token created by aiming to build a strong community in its holders to hit $1 in the year 22. Pegasus Inu will follow its 13 phases program to hit $1. This project will bring prosperity in your life. Buy and hold till December 22. So they are asking for buy the coin and hold till December 222. BSC scan is verified. Tokenomics 1 trillion 22.5% pre-sale, 225 billion, team 5%, marketing 5%, and then there is a roadmap. Token creation, website launches, launch on social media platforms, white paper, pre-sale launch, tech audit, Nebula audit, website is redesign, V2, PancakeSwap launch, first token manual burn to hit $1. Listing on 4-5 best exchanges with market push. Second token manual burn to hit $1. Listing on coin market cap. Listing on CoinGecko. Third token manual burn to hit $1. Start Pegasus Launchpad. Listing on 5-10 best exchange with market push. Fourth token manual burn to hit $1. Start Pegasus Skating. Launch Pegasus Swap. Fifth token manual burn to hit $1. Start Pegasus Farming and Pools. Listing on 8 to 10 best exchanges with market push. Sixth token manual burn to hit $1. Third audit आएगा. Listing on Binance November 22. Future mutual burning will remain continue if it does not hit $1 till December 22. Launch Pegasus Crypto Exchange. Burn clock is here. Pegasus is introducing a burn clock. Daily 1 billion tokens will burn till 31 December 222. Burning clock will start from its launching. PancakeSwap from 15 November 221. Total 412 billion tokens will burn from this burning clock. So roadmap is your road to $1. 13 phases program. Pegasus Inu is launching its 13 phases program. It will help us to find to go into its targeted path. Phase 1 starts from launching. Total price will be 0.001 plus. Phase 1 ends on 31 December 221. Phase 2 start from 1/1/222. Target price 0.001 plus. Phase 2 ends on 31 January. Phase 3 ends on 28 February. Phase 4 ends on 31 March. Phase 5 ends on 30 April. Phase 5 ends on 31 May. Phase 7 ends on 30 June. Phase 9 ends on 31 August. Phase 10 30 September. Phase 11 31 October and Phase 12 including Binance listing. Phase 12 ends on 30 November 202 and the price will be 0.9 plus its target price $1. Phase 3 ends on 31 December 222. Binance listing will boom the price. So this is all about the Pegasus Inu. Our files in there is a white paper, tech audit report, Nebula listing, and everything is here. And their listing is launching on PancakeSwap and many other exchange. PancakeSwap, P2, B2B, Bitmart, BKEX, IndoX, Probit, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Hotbit, Elsbit, Coinsbit, Binance, and everything. So get in touch. Here is the contract address. Then I will tell you how to buy this coin. So 11 days, 22 hours, 36 minutes and 43 seconds are remaining. to its pre-sale. Their pre-sale is restarted again, so go and buy now this coin. Now open the MetaMask, go to the browser. After going to the browser, you need to connect your MetaMask to the Pegasus Inno official contact address. Then you need to put the amount you are going to buy. I will put I have $5 in the BNB account. So after putting, it will show you confirm option. Go to down and confirm the transactions. After confirming, transactions is going to be confirmed. Then add to MetaMask, then add token. After adding, go to your we will come to our wallet address. You can see Pegasus Inno tokens are added to my MetaMask, so you can buy this way. So here is Pegasus Inno BSC scan. So here you can see Pegasus Inno token, Pegasus Inno buy, exchange, earn and aiming. So here is the overview. 0.01 no price is shown now. Total supply you can see here is there. Holders are 852, transfers 920, and their contract address is also given, decimal 18. Social profiles not available, so they are working on it. So here you can claim your tokens on this website powered by Binance Chain. 174 billion tokens are currently burned. So dear holders, thanks for participating in more than 61% holders voted to extend the pre-sale and then to list on Pegasus on Hotbit and P2PB2B. We respect the opinion of our holders that we will move forward according to that. Today we are going to apply for Hotbit listing and soon we apply for P2P2B. Also thanks for supports Pegasus Inno official. So here is the update. I will put all this in the description box.